Yeah, I'm drunk, so what? Yeah, intoxicated lover. Intoxicated lover. Say right there. Faster than the say. Somebody found my car keys or something. I'm not as thick as you drunk I am. Broken heart down. Why was I last to know? Why they in the sign show? Could've put a neon sign around the boy next saying I don't love you no more. Is you or is you not a hoe? Tell me so. You could've made my killing quick. Instead he chose to make it slow. Now I sleep on misery inside. Rolls my pillow onto me and walk blindly out to follow. You say sweet bullshit into my ears and false at those swing low. She's a hoe. She wants to raid me and Faso. 3 of my best friends don't come around no more because of yo. I'm broke in the toe. Free yourself what's the crowd out loud. You call me out beyond reasonable doubt. You don't love me no more. See how you making me shout. Who me? Wanna hear from your mouth. You left and it ain't right. I don't wanna go east or north or south. We was straight till you did a detour. Took the foulest route, a high horse your mouth. Looking down on me now with flout. Skid out. Skid out. I'm drunk, so what? Got a broken heart, that's what I'm all about. Tonight, I'ma speak my mind, sing my song, and it goes swing low, girl, you's a hoe, and I'ma let you know. I never knew a love like this. I don't get it. I never knew a love like this. Somebody pass my keys. I never knew a love like this. I'm not a stick. I never knew a love like this. Yo, you grab the bottle of mic.
So what? I'm intoxicated. Of course I'm a mess, cause you left, this shit is complicated. I said that I love you, baby, but you split, so I get with the violence, cause I love to hate.
No,
when you calling a cheater, you a hoe, scratch that. No, you ain't, matter of fact, you a slut, next that shit. That didn't really come out right, don't take it serious. Shots to the heads got your boyfriend delirious. Oh yeah, I'm furious. Matter of fact, swing low, you's a hoe. I never knew a love like this. Now all I wanna do is drink up and light splits. Thinking about the effed up mess my life is, but thinking I could take you home tonight, miss. That's right, go ahead and diss me. I know next week you'll be saying you miss me. I'll probably be on cloud 9 high and tipsy with a big ass blonde model trying to fix me. I don't need you or the other you. So all 3 of you can forget I was in love with you. But I'm a good guy, so it's okay to apologize, and I promise I'll do the same thing right after you. I'm drunk, so what? You a punk stroke slut. Hold up, I think I'm gonna throw up. Tonight, I'ma speak my mind, sing my song, and it goes swing low, girl, you's a hoe, and I'ma let you know. I never knew a love like this.
Oh man,
I never knew a love like this.
Damn, hey, watch my suit.
I never knew a love like this. Oh man, it's gonna be pissed off when you hear this. I never knew a love like this.
We both driving home. That's true.